What is up, you guys? Today we're gonna do a wireless audio test with the all-new Hero 12 Black. And that is why I've got the Hero 12 Black mounted to the hood of the car that is connected directly to this Apple AirPods. So let's see how this goes. GoPro, start recording. That is dope. Now, if you're on the internet wondering what's new about the Hero 12 Black and Max Lens Mod 2.0, well, you came to the right place. In this video, I will share with you the 12 upgrades about Hero 12 Black. So let's dive right in. Number 1, let's start by talking about the form factor. While Hero 12 Black might spot that same form factor as its predecessor, it is an entirely new camera altogether. And here is why. Not just because of the new blue speckled design on the camera, but the addition of the quarter 20 mounting thread at the bottom of the camera allowed GoPro to re-engineer the internals of the camera. The result, more power efficiency and a ton of new features added on the camera. So, make sure you stay to the end to check out all those features. When it comes to image quality, GoPro has always been in a class of its own. With the Hero 12 Black, we see that gap widening even further with two significant upgrades. Number 1, Hero 12 Black introduces high dynamic range video even in the 5.3K resolution, which brings a broader dynamic range to your footage. Think about highlights, shadow, midtones, contrast. By capturing multiple exposures simultaneously and merging them seamlessly into a single frame, HDR brings to you a more vivid, truer to life video straight out the camera. In fact, most of the video that you're seeing today is shot with HDR without any post-production. Let me know, what do you think? Next, GP lock. Last year, GoPro introduced 10-bit video, which enabled you to capture over 1 billion shades of color. That has been a big hit in the professional community. This year, GoPro is adding GP lock, a truer lock color profile onto the camera. When toggled on, you can expect more control in grading your videos in post-production, especially if you're trying to color match your footage across multiple camera systems. But that's not all. In fact, to help you get that color pop, GoPro will also be releasing a series of LUTs, also known as lookup tables, available for download on GoPro.com. I mean, how cool is that? This next feature has got to be my favorite one on the Hero 12 Black. With the upgrade, you can now connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices simultaneously onto the camera. For example, the Quick app, Volta, the remote, a wireless Bluetooth earbud. That is right, you heard me right. A wireless Bluetooth earbud, such as your favorite AirPods, JBL, Bose, or any other Bluetooth earbud, headphone, or mic connected directly to the Hero 12 Black. Well, in this instance, I believe hearing is believing. So here is an audio test. You be the judge. Hero 12 Black wireless audio connectivity test. So I've got the Hero 12 Black connected directly to the Apple AirPods. We're gonna do a wireless audio test, so I'm gonna take you outdoors. It is raining, it's slightly windy right now, but hey, it's a wireless audio test. I'm gonna close the door. How do I sound? Do I still sound clear? Taking a couple of steps back, I am probably about 7 meters away from the camera right now. How does the audio sound? All right, walking back to the camera. I am at the door. Is the audio still good? All right, wireless audio test. You be the judge. And to give you guys a deeper insight of what this does is that beyond just voice commands, you will also be able to receive and hear the audio prompts coming from your GoPro. What that really means is that you know when your camera is recording or not recording, even from a remote distance, just like this. I mean, how cool is this feature? Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? GoPro, stop recording. Mind-blowing. With the addition of the 1/1.9-inch sensor last year, GoPro introduced the revolutionary 8:7 aspect ratio that answered the biggest dilemma creators face today. Should you shoot horizontal or vertical? This year, GoPro is bringing the power of the 8:7 aspect ratio across all modes, be it video, photo, time-lapse, time warp, and even night effects. Now, this is huge, quite literally, because if you are shooting a star trail or light painting in 5.3K 8:7 aspect ratio, you can pull a 24.7 megapixel frame grab from that video. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but Ron, what if I don't have the time to crop and frame all my 8:7 video in post-production? Well, good news for you. A new 9:16 vertical capture mode will be made available on the HERO12 Black, allowing you to capture that extra tall Instagram, TikTok ready video without having to crop and post, or more importantly, having to reorient your camera vertically. Talk about an elevated user experience. As we talk about user experience, I want to share with you the new easy controls on HERO12 Black. As the camera gets more advanced, GoPro is simplifying and has made the user experience more intuitive. The updated default easy controls takes out all the guesswork and tech terminologies such as aspect ratio. For example, aspect ratio will now be known as framing, with 3 available options: widescreen, vertical, or full frame. You no longer have to understand what aspect ratio means to select your favorite framing options. And it only now takes you 2 taps to switch between your favorite modes. What more, night effects have also been included in the easy controls. And of course, I've got to talk about HyperSmooth 6.0. This continues to blow my mind year after year. HERO12 Black takes video stabilization technology to the next level by analyzing 4 times more data for impossibly smooth video. The improved auto boost on camera smooths out the shakiest and most sudden movement without relying on excessive cropping nor sacrificing on video stabilization. And like its predecessor, you can also enjoy full 360-degree horizon lock on the linear digital lens. Speaking about immersion and stabilization, this year GoPro is introducing Max Lens Mod 2.0. The combination of HERO12 Black with Max Lens Mod 2.0 creates the ultimate POV camera, delivering 4K 60 video at a staggering 177-degree field of view. For context, that is approximately 36% wider without the Max Lens mod and 48% taller when you are using vertical capture mode. Wow! Not to mention, with Max HyperSmooth, you are getting unbreakable stabilization with 360-degree horizon lock. And to top it off, Max Lens Mod 2.0 has the new hydrophobic lens, is smaller, lighter, and 2 times more scratch resistant. That is wildly impressive. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel because in the coming weeks, I will have a deeper dive on this bad boy right here. That's right. For the prosumers out there who shoot on multiple GoPro cameras at a go, this new feature will be something that you love. Timecode Sync. With a QR code on the Quick app, you can now synchronize multiple HERO12 Black down to the exact same timecode to the millisecond, making multi-camera edit a breeze. Check this out. QR code, camera, next camera, and another camera. How simple is that? And in the pursuit to elevate that user experience, interval photo will now be available in HERO12 Black. When toggled on, you will be able to snap 27 megapixel photo from 0.5 seconds all the way to 120 seconds. For those wondering, what is the difference between time-lapse photo and interval photo? While it may seem very similar, it is very different. The main difference is that for time-lapse photo, the intention here majority of the time is to create a video. As such, the exposure is blended over a period of time so that your final video will seem seamless. In the case of interval photo, that exposure is optimized specifically for that photo and has full image processing from HDR to super photo. And also, you don't have to create an entirely new preset in time-lapse, which takes you almost 7 taps. In this case, interval photo is available as a shortcut on screen in the photo mode. Lastly, I want to share with you about the power optimization of the new camera. With HERO12 Black, I have experienced significantly longer runtimes on the camera. And the way that GoPro is doing in achieving that is by redesigning the camera's firmware and software from the ground up, by looking for efficiencies and disabling components that were not needed during recording. Think of it as turning off the lights when no one is home. No compromise to the output, and a more efficient power management system. Impressive. And the thing that I truly appreciate is that even with the inclusion of the new quarter 20 mounting thread at the bottom and all these amazing features that I've mentioned, GoPro has decided to retain the form factor of the camera. What that means is that all my current mounts and accessories, including mods and batteries, will be fully compatible. I mean, how amazing is that for the entire community? And now that you know all the features and upgrades of the HERO12 Black, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite feature on this guy? And is there a particular feature that you want me to do a deeper dive on? Let me know in the comment section. Until then, stay safe, stay subscribed. I will see you in the next upload. Bye!